Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and so for our payroll Fly Babies, we're going to get up this morning and do our morning routine. Now, I talk about it every day. I restate some things for new people, and I always encourage you, if you haven't done so, to go watch the video, How to Do the Flylady System for Newbies, on my homepage, so that these daily videos can really be a tool for you. Okay, so if you're working, you're going to do your morning routine, you're going to put your children through their morning routine, you're going to take care of what other things you need to take care of, pets or whatever, and then once that's done, you're going to leave for work knowing everything is under control. When you get to work, you're going to say hello to your coworkers, friends, employees. You're going to get your coffee and water or whatever it is you drink. You're going to go to your nice clean desk, open up your control journal for work, and begin the rest of this week. Now, on your lunch hour, which I encourage you to take, and your breaks, which I encourage you to take, you're going to be able to take care of some things for home from work. For example, today we're thinking about our basic weekly plan. If you haven't finished that and you've broken it up into days, Monday we stripped our bed. Tuesday we did a little dusting. Wednesday we wiped down the mirrors. So today let's empty all the little garbage cans. So you'll do that when you get home. Plan it so that when you have your dinner going, you run go get all the little garbage can liners, or you delegate that to somebody and you can inspect what you expect. You can also have that done before you get home. It's up to you. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is think about the zone we're in. We're in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So let's say you're done with your bathroom and now you're going to work on that one other room, and I think we picked the children's room this week. So go in the children's room again. What do we need to do? Do you need to get rid of some clothing in there? These are not your standard everyday things. These are the more deep cleaning things. The room is going to be a wreck if you haven't been inspecting what you expect and doing a clutter check 3 times a day. Right before work, right before you leave, right after you get home, and then right before the kids go to bed, so that all the shoes are in the closet, all the toys are in their baskets, and the room's not in terrible shape. In the morning they're going to make their bed, put their clothes in the dirty clothes. They're not going to have time to play in there, so they're going to get up and get dressed and do their morning routine. If they don't, though, you're going to do a quick clutter check. That morning one will be really easy, and make sure that everything's tip-top, right? Okay, next thing, but make sure you do it in a happy way, firm but kind, so you leave your children in a great frame of mind before you leave for work. You don't want to leave them upset, and you don't want to be upset, so let's not upset each other. Let's just be firm but kind, realize that consequences are the result of choices, and your children know what their consequences are, and that you'll enforce when you get home, if you have to. Hopefully not. Okay, next thing we're going to do is, Oh, think about your basic weekly plan. So what are you going to do in the children's room if you have small children? Have you wiped their baseboards in a while? Does their bookshelf need to be cleaned out? Have you gone through their underwear lately? You know, there's things, their closet. Just pick something. Work on it for 15 minutes. When the time is up, maybe work on it for 10 minutes. When the time is up, put everything up, throw it away, or put it in another place. That's put away, give away, throw away, or take the giveaway to the trunk, right? And go back. So when you come home, you're going to start your laundry, but you're going to know this in your head. So you're just going to have the time to think about this. All right? The actual weekly plan thing today is errand day. So on your lunch hour, you might even have time to go run some errands that you need to do. Go ahead and order your groceries to be delivered on Saturday or this afternoon, or to be picked up by someone else in the family or yourself at some other time, right? But this is the day we're taking care of errands, so that's our zone. But our basic weekly plan and our zone are the things we're working on today, okay? So the zone is zone 3, the basic weekly plan is errand day. Remember, it's a 3-layer cake. Routines, basic weekly plan, zones, so don't let me confuse you. Sorry. All right, so when you come home today, you'll have this plan in your mind of what you're going to do. You're going to come in the house, you're going to get your your mail, go through it, get rid of the junk, go through an inch of paper if you have allowed paper to collect in your home, and it won't be there for long if you keep going through an inch a day. An inch a day is 6 inches a week if you do it Monday through Saturday. That's a foot every 2 weeks. That's 2 feet every 4 weeks or every month. So in a year, 2 feet times 12 is 48 feet Do you have 48 feet of paper clutter? I doubt it. So you'll be without paper clutter in less than a year. Isn't that awesome? Okay, and remember, you're not handling it, you're just sorting it. You're putting what requires action or filing in your inbox, and you're throwing everything else away. Okay? Okay. So when you come home, you've got these ideas in your head, starting your laundry, going through an inch of paper, starting dinner early, get it started. And then while the laundry's going, and you keep your ear out for that because you're going to be putting that in the dryer, and then you're going to be folding it and putting it away. We're not allowing Mount Fulmore to happen to us ever again. Now, while your dinner is simmering, that gives you 20-25 minutes. So you have 10 minutes, if you're the one who has to do it, to run around the house and get all the garbage can liners out. Now, in my 2-story home, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 garbage cans upstairs and 1 downstairs plus the kitchen. All right, so I just run around, grab the bags out, put new bags in. It does not take 10 minutes. It takes maybe 5 minutes because of the stairs, really. And bring the bags with you. Don't make double trips. Make it easy for yourself. So get that done, and then you've already taken care of your routine today, your zone rather, because you've got that errand stuff done and taken care of, including your groceries. You don't have your groceries, but you've got it taken care of. You've got a plan. And then we're going to go to zone 3. So today we're going to work in the kids' room. So go in there while your dinner is simmering, while it's on hold, while it's in the crock pot, while it's in the oven, and take care of something for 5, 10, 15 minutes. When you're done, go back to your kitchen. Don't think about it again. You're done. Don't forget to do your 3 clutter checks. Okay, that's good. Now hang on just a minute. People who are staying at home, my fly babies, my lions who stay at home, fly babies. Get up, do your morning routine, put your children through their routines, do whatever other routines you might have in the morning, taking care of pets, a farm, whatever, and then go to the next thing, which is errand day. You've got your plan from yesterday, so go and run your errands, buy your groceries, etc. When you come back, hopefully you started something this morning, like a crock pot meal, so you don't have to deal with that while you're putting groceries away and prepping vegetables and things like that. When you're done, you have zone 3, and let's talk about the kids' room. Have you looked at it in a while? Is there some deep cleaning that needs to happen in there? How about vacuuming under the bed? Pick one thing and do it. When you're done, you are done, girl. All right, that's it for today. Afterwards, we're going to do our after dinner routine together as a family, all of us, one huge family, knowing that all of our kids are part of this family and we're all doing our part. Okay, and when that's done, then we're going to do our before bed routine. If you're exhausted, please take care of yourself first. You'll feel better. If you're not exhausted, take care of the kids first. That's it. Plan your day tomorrow. Look at your journal. Make sure your clothes are laid out for tomorrow. You can do this. And I want you to have a beautiful day because you are beautiful.